today we're diving into the world of daily planning with a look at the Structured app. If you're like me and struggle to keep track of tasks and appointments, this app claims to be a game changer. But does it really live up to the hype? Structured is designed as a daily planner that emphasizes a visual approach to task management. The app allows users to create a daily agenda by dragging and dropping tasks, which feels intuitive and user-friendly. You can categorize tasks, set priorities, and even allocate time slots, which can help you visualize your day better. One standout feature is the focus on routines. You can set recurring tasks, which is great for habits or regular commitments. Plus, the clean interface is visually appealing, making it easy to navigate without feeling overwhelmed. However, I did notice that some features, like integration with other calendars or apps, feel limited. For example, syncing with Google Calendar isn't as seamless as it could be, which might frustrate users who depend on multiple platforms. Overall, the app feels tailored for anyone looking to organize their daily life, but there are a few gaps that could use improvement. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the drag and drop functionality is a real highlight. It makes planning your day not just efficient, but also enjoyable. The visual layout can help users quickly identify what needs to be done. On the flip side, there are some frustrations. The limited integration options can be a deal breaker for users who want a fully connected experience. Additionally, while the app is great for daily planning, it lacks some advanced features that more seasoned planners might expect, like project management tools. It might not suit those who require complex task tracking or collaboration features. Still, for someone looking for a straightforward daily planner, Structured could be a solid choice. In conclusion, Structured is worth considering if you're after a simple and visually appealing daily planner. It's perfect for individuals who want to streamline their daily tasks without the noise of unnecessary features. However, if you're looking for something more robust, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it feels like a promising tool for daily organization.